Well, you can play me another one. What about the song? Wow. Sweet. Can I get some words to some music?
Sure.
Okay, go.
Okay. The first time I'm gonna just do music. Wait, pause it. Pause it for just 1 second.
Okay.
I gotta do a rock and roll song, but first I gotta take my shirt off.
Oh, okay.
For a rock and roll song.
All right.
This is the rock and roll time. Yeah, this is going to be awesome.
All right, sing me a song.
I know we got that one song.
Well, just sing me that one song.
Well, I can't remember it.
Please.
sometimes.
You can remember it.
Well, let me do a different one.
Okay.
Okay. I can't remember what it was called.
Well, just make another one up.
I only got one song of it.
Okay. It was about my family.
I can't remember that.
Well, just do another one.
Well, I'll try one more, and then I'll just do the music.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. One time we'll do, I know that we all set going on a lot. But I didn't know where I was going. I didn't know where I was going. I know where I was going, but I didn't know where. I got to the top of a great tall building and find my square big.
Wow. That was awesome.
Thanks. I said Mary at the last.
Say thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everybody.